crazy travelers. Welcome to our channel Aerial Pixel. Today we are in Milan. So, Milan is a city of fashion, trend, style and elegance. This city might be chaotic to you, but if you will love it, it will love you back a lot. So let's explore the city. This is Duomo Di Milano, the cathedral church in Milan. It took nearly 6 centuries to complete. Construction began in 1386 and the final details were completed in 1965. This is the largest church in Italy. The Galleria Vittorio Emanuele is Italy's oldest active shopping gallery and a major landmark of Milan, Italy. Housed within a 4-story double arcade in the center of the town, the Galleria is named after Victor Emmanuel II, the first king of the Kingdom of Italy. The Galleria is often nicknamed Il Salotto di Milano, that means Milan's drawing room, due to its numerous luxurious shops and importance as a common Milanese meeting and dining place. The Castello Forzesco is in Milan, northern Italy. It was built in the 15th century by Francesco Sforza, Duke of Milan. The castle was home to the Sforza family that ruled Milan during the Renaissance period. Leonardo da Vinci worked on the design and frescoes in the castle. After Ludovico Sforza became the Lord of Milan in 1494, he called numerous artists to decorate the castle. Leonardo da Vinci was one of the artists commissioned, and he lived in the castle while creating many of his masterpieces such as the Madonna of the Rocks, Lady with an Ermine, and the Last Supper fresco. Porta Sempioni is a city gate of Milan. The gate is marked by a landmark triumphal arch called Arco della Pace, which means Arc of Peace, dating back to the 19th century, although its origins can be traced back to a gate of the Roman walls of Milan. To explore Milan, we bought 24 hours transport ticket which includes bus, train and trams. Daily ticket costs €6 per person and it's the best way to explore a new city. Hope you guys have enjoyed our brief journey to Milan. Please stay tuned for the upcoming journeys to other magnificent parts of Italy. Take care and see you soon. Bye.